Hello guys, today we will start our new programming series in Java. In this series, we will be solving lots of Java programs. And I also have created Python program series in which I already posted 2 videos. You will find link of that playlist in the description box below. In future, you will find lots of Java programs in both series. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then do subscribe. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, let me explain what is prime number in brief. So prime numbers are those numbers only divided by 1 and the number itself without leaving a remainder. And they only have two factors, 1 and the number itself. For an example, here 13 numbers are given. Let's try to figure out which are the prime numbers in given range. Take number 1. As it has only one factor itself 1, it is not a prime number. Then take number 7. 7 has two factors. It is divisible by 1 and itself 7. So it is a prime number. In this way, we will get all possible prime numbers in given range. If there is less than 2 or more than 2 factors are there, then it is non-prime number. In this range, these are prime numbers. Now let's code this program. See, whenever you're confused like how to code program, then try to divide the problem in number of small pieces. What I mean here, let's divide this program in small steps. Here we require three things: input, logic and output. First of all, we need a number. You can get it from user or take it by default. I will take it by default. Okay. So integer number equals 7. Right? Now suppose I don't know logic about prime numbers. Okay. Skip it just for now. Next, what I want in my output, I want print prime number, and here not a prime number. Right? Here I can imagine the condition will take place. If this, then it's prime, else not. So apply condition. If and here else. Put this one inside if and this one inside else. Now let's build logic for prime number. Always remember, whenever you want to build logic for any problem like prime numbers, Armstrong numbers or anything, then focus on its definition. Here what our definition says, prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and number itself without leaving a remainder. So two factors are there. Okay, so congratulations, we got our condition to build the logic. Here I will write if calculate division equals to, then it's prime, else not. Here calculate division will calculate the number of division of given number. Now we just have to focus on how to find this calculate division. First of all, we have to figure out that our number should be divisible by only two numbers. If it is divisible by more than two numbers, then it is not a prime number. Okay. For that, we will divide given number from every number from 1 to given number. To do that, we will apply for loop from 1 to given number. So apply for loop for integer I from 1 to I less equal given number, here I plus plus. In this loop, we will put one condition to divide our number, that if number modulo I equals 0, means if our number is divisible by I and remainder is 0, then increase my calculate division by 1. Just initialize calculate division equals 1. Perfect. We are done here. Let me summarize what we did here. Our number is 7. Calculate division equals 0. Then for loop will be executed 7 times to check if number is divisible by any number given in this range, then increase my calculate division by 1. If it is 2, then prime, else not prime. Let's run the program. So it's prime. Now let's check for 9. It is not a prime number. So our program is performing very well. I hope you are clear now how to check given number is prime or not. So guys, if you have any comments or doubts or any type of suggestion, then drop the comments in comment box. So that is all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.